afternoon, Mirabel members. I am standing in front of what is soon to be our new water and fire feature that will upgrade our club entrance. And that mysterious object in back of me, well, that will be revealed soon. But it is going to be a beautiful piece of art of metal and glass that will welcome you and your guests and create a great lasting first impression. And now, here's our weekly construction update. Decorative glass dividers have been installed in the main dining room. Cement floors have been poured in the men's massage area. The framing for the ceiling in the kitchen has been installed. Glass windows have been removed in the fitness center, making way for new treated glass. The bar overhang is complete and has been stained to match the patio. The target date for total project completion is early December. We will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please continue to log on to our live cameras through our website. Thank you.